Hello students, hope you all are fine and healthy. We are reading chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. Today we will learn about concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution. Do you remember what is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. So for preparing a solution, we can dissolve a small amount of solute or large amount of solute in a solvent. Example, we can dissolve 10 grams of sugar in 100 grams of water for preparing a sugar solution, or we can dissolve more than 10 grams of sugar for making a sugar solution. The solution that have small amount of solute dissolved in it, it is said to have low concentration and it is known as dilute solution. The solution having small amount of solute dissolved in the solvent it is said to have low concentration. It is said to have low concentration, and this kind of solution is known as dilute solution. This kind of solution is known as dilute solution. If we will prepare two sugar solutions, one is having 10 grams of sugar dissolved in it and the other is having more than 10 grams. So the solution which will have 10 gram of sugar dissolved in it, it will be known as the dilute solution because it will have low or the small amount of solute dissolved in it, and the solution that have large amount of solute dissolved in it, it is said to have high concentration. The solution having large amount of solute dissolved in it, it is said to have higher concentration. It is said to have high concentration. And this kind of solution is known as concentrated solution. It is known as concentrated solution. Suppose we are having two sugar solution in different beakers. The first is having 10 grams of sugar dissolved in 100 grams of water, and the second beaker is having 50 grams of sugar dissolved in 100 grams of water. Dissolved in 100 grams of water. So which of the two is a dilute solution and which one is a concentrated solution. The first beaker is having 10 grams of sugar dissolved in 100 grams of water, and the second one is having 50 grams of sugar dissolved in 100 grams of water. So it is clear that the first beaker is having less or small amount of solute dissolved in the solvent. So this one is having low concentration. It is having low concentration and it is a dilute solution. It is a dilute solution, whereas the second is having large amount of solute dissolved in the solvent. So it is having higher concentration. It is having higher concentration and it is a concentrated solution. It is a concentrated solution. The amount of solute dissolved in a solution is known as concentration of that solution. Amount of solute dissolved in a solution. And a solution is known as the concentration of that solution. It is known as concentration of that solution. The percentage method is the most common method of expressing the concentration of a solution. The percentage method is the most common method of expressing the concentration of a solution. The percentage method shows the percentage of solute present in the solution. It shows percentage of solute present in the solution. The percentage of solute can be represented by two methods, either by volume or by mass. The percentage of solute can be represented by two methods, either by mass or by volume. If a solid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent, it is dissolved in a liquid solvent, then we will use mass percentage of solute. Then we will use mass percentage of solute for calculating the concentration of a solution. Then we will use mass percentage of solute for calculating the concentration of a solution. For a solid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, the concentration of a solution is defined as the mass of solute in grams, the mass of solute in grams dissolved in 100 grams of solution, dissolved in 100 grams of solution. So the concentration in case of a solid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent is defined as the mass of solute in grams dissolved in 100 grams of solution. For example, 10% of sugar solution means that 10 gram of sugar is present in 100 grams of solution. Is present in 100 grams of solution. And this 100 gram of solution also includes the 10 grams of sugar, which means that 100 gram of solution contains 100 minus 10 is equals to 90 grams of water. So if we have to prepare 10% sugar solution, then we will dissolve 10 grams of sugar in 90 grams of water. The concentration of solution means mass of solute in 100 gram of solution, in 100 grams of solution, not in 100 grams of solute. So the formula for calculating concentration of solution in mass percentage, concentration of solution in mass percentage is equals to mass of solute. It is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied with 100. So this is the formula for calculating the concentration of solution when a solid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. And mass of solution is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. It is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. If a liquid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent, if a liquid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent, then volume percentage of solute is used for calculating the concentration of a solution. Then volume percentage of solute is used for calculating the concentration of a solution. In case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, the concentration of solution is defined as the milliliters of solute is defined as milliliters of solute dissolved in 100 milliliters of solution, dissolved in 100 milliliters of solution. Example, 10% solution of acetic acid means that 10 ml. It means 10 ml of acetic acid is present in 100 ml of solution. It is present in 100 ml of solution. This 100 ml of solution also includes 10 ml of acetic acid. It means that the solution contains 100 minus 10 is equals to 90 ml of solvent. It contains 90 ml of solvent. So if we have to prepare 10% solution of acetic acid, then we will dissolve 10 ml of acetic acid in 90 ml of water. The formula for calculating concentration of a solution in terms of volume percentage is concentration of solution is equals to volume of solute is equals to volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied with 100. So this is the formula for calculating concentration of solution when a liquid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. Now let us solve some questions related to the topic. First question is, a solution contains 50 gram of sugar dissolved in 250 gram of water. We have to calculate the concentration of solution. So first we will find out the mass of solution. Mass of solution is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So the mass of solute here is 50 grams and mass of solvent is 250 grams. So it will be equal to 50 plus 250. That will be equals to 300 grams. So the mass of solution is 300 grams. Now we will use the formula concentration of solution is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied with 100. So mass of solute here is 50. So 50 upon mass of solution is 300 grams. 50 upon 300 multiplied with 100. So the answer will be 50 divided by 3. It will be equal to 16.6%. So the second question is, a solution contains 30 ml of acetic acid mixed with 170 ml of water. We have to find the concentration of solution. So in this case, a liquid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. So we will calculate the concentration of solution in volume percentage of solute. So let us first find the volume of solution. Volume of solution is equals to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Volume of solute plus volume of solvent. So the volume of solute here is 30 ml. It is 30 ml. and volume of solvent is 170 ml. So this volume of solution is equals to 30 plus 170, that is equals to 200 ml. Now we will use the formula concentration of solution is equals to volume of solute. It is equals to volume of solute upon volume of solution, volume of solution multiplied with 100. So the volume of solute here is 30. That is 30, and volume of solution is 200. So we will multiply it with 100. So 0 cancel by 0. So answer will be 15%. Answer will be 15%. So the concentration of this solution is 15%. When the concentration of a solution is expressed as percent by weight or percent by mass, when the concentration of solution is expressed as percent by mass, percent by mass or percent by weight, percent by weight, then the symbol W by W, then the symbol W by W is used. And the symbol W by W is used for expressing the concentration. It is used for expressing the concentration. And the symbol V by V, and the symbol V by V is used, it is used when the concentration is expressed, and the concentration is expressed in percent by volume. It is expressed in percent by volume. So that's all for today. In case if you are having any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.